Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday, where I go over what's due with MobileSentrix so that you don't miss out on any of the updates to the website or what's happening in the company. Something that you may have noticed on MobileSentrix.com is today there are a bunch of new Pixel parts. So check those out if you are one that likes to repair Google Pixel phones. Also, one of the new products that you might have seen is this new multifunction frame correction tool by Relife. It's designed to help you bend a phone back into shape. There's sometimes small bends that haven't really caused issues with the phone itself, but will cause issues with the frame and the screen not fitting or staying flush because the frame is bent and it wants to pop out the screen. Having a jig like this will definitely help you in making those small minor adjustments to get the frame perfect so that you can have a successful screen repair. If you'd like to see me demonstrate this in a video, leave it in the comments below. Now, if you don't have this TBK screen separator, I highly recommend it. It's extremely versatile and basically allows you to open up any of the iPhones, and I bet you it would even work for a lot of others because of the way that it's designed. And one of the new attachments to it is this suction cup. On the machine it has a circular one. This one is square, having a greater surface area, which means that it's going to pull up the screen in a much more uniform way. So if you have the TBK screen separator, I highly recommend getting this attachment and swapping it out for the other, and keeping the other in hand just in case you need it. They're extremely simple to install, and as you remove the other, you will basically be able to gauge how to install it. There are a handful of other things coming out this week. I won't tell you what they are now, so be on the look for them throughout the week. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Well, that's it for today's short video. We'll see you tomorrow, where I show you yet another YouTuber that you should definitely be following.